Most Shopify stores doing over $1 million in sales are actually going broke. In this video, I'm going to show you how that happens and how to make sure it never happens to you. My name is Steve Merrill and I've sold over $60 million online, and I've seen this bury more Shopify stores than anything else. Let's take Sally. She launches a Shopify store selling candles. Month one, $10,000 in sales, 50% margins, no labor, tight marketing spend, and she's making $3,000 in profit. Fast forward 12 months, she's been hard at work, $50,000 a month in sales, but now she's paying for rent, labor, insurance, marketing, and instead of more profits, she's actually losing money. How in the world is that possible? She's selling 5 times more but making less money. That goes against everything that you're taught about business, but this is the trap that buries most Shopify stores, and it all comes down to one simple number. So let's break it down. Selling $50,000 a month means you can't do it alone, so you're gonna have to have a few employees. Then you have to move out of the basement because there's no room in your house, so you're in a warehouse. With all these things comes taxes, insurance, more software, and more investment in marketing, because that's how you grow. If you don't have your margins locked down, every single sale is going to dig you deeper and deeper into a hole. But the brands that survive and scale, they all have one single thing in common. After they pay for their product, they've got 70% left over or more to run the business. So at $1 million in sales, here's what it looks like. You got $300,000 in product costs, $200,000 in employees or labor, $300,000 in marketing expenses because yeah, that's the machine that's growing the business, $100,000 in other expenses, and $100,000 in profit. That 70% gross margin, it's the breathing room that makes growth possible. This is the reason so many Shopify founders feel like they're sprinting just to stay in the same place because they're built on the wrong foundation. So get your margins right and you'll finally have the money to grow without your stress. And if you're not sure what your true margins are or you want help fixing them, hit that link in the description to book a call with me and I'll walk you through it.